everyone. Glad you dropped in today. I'm just making something very simple, and I think everybody has their own recipe to pea salad. Mine's very simple, and I tell you, on days like today, I don't want to cook if you don't. I'm sure you don't either. This heat is just ridiculous. But God has a reason for it, so I have no reason to complain. Somebody's enjoying it. It's just not me right now. But we're just going to make something simple, and it's actually so good this time of year. And I have friends who put eggs in theirs and pickles, but I don't do that. I just have a very simple recipe. It's 16 ounces, and I put it in a colander, run cold water over it a couple of times just till it's, it's thawed and not sticking together, so it's that close. I've got 4 pieces of bacon, salt and pepper, cheese, and these are little purple onions out of my garden. I'm so glad to have them this time of year. So I was going to, instead of a regular big purple onion, I was going to use my little purple onions. It's nice to have a little teeny garden this year, and it's been hard because I've had to water it every day. But I live in the country, so I don't have to pay for water, so that helps. And little onions this time of year are just so wonderful. I'm getting a little bit tired of just regular salads this year. It seemed like I'd rather have a sandwich and a popsicle rather than try to cook, but every now and then we have to break down and to cook a few things. The only thing I had to cook today was the bacon, and I started almost leaving off. That's how devoted I am to cooking. I like little green onions in about anything, don't you? Just break them up in little rounds. That's all I do. I don't chop them real small. I think if it's hot, probably I would. These aren't. These are just crispy and nice. That's about a half a cup, I would think, a good half a cup. And about a half a cup of cheese. Every cheese makes everything better, doesn't it? As we know. Now, you can use mayonnaise. I love to use the ranch dressing just because of that extra flavor. Use about a half a cup. You can also use Italian dressing. I've done that before. That's good. I've got a half teaspoon of salt and about a 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. It's not a big salad, it's a little salad. I think if I was going to take it somewhere, I might make it a little bit bigger, but this is just a perfect size. Put a little bit of parsley in it, if you want to. Just another little flavor. This time of year, it's so good and fresh. But what makes this good is to put it in the refrigerator for about a half an hour or an hour before you're going to eat it. And also, I don't put my bacon on mine until I am ready to to eat it. I sort of make it a topping, because if you put it in the refrigerator, I'll put one piece in here just to show you. When you put it in the refrigerator, it's sort of, you know, that bacon is not as crisp. It's good, leaves a good flavoring, but to me, I'm going to leave my bacon out until I get it back out after a while. Let's see how it tastes. Well, it's wonderful. That little onion's good too. Well, I tried. You can't eat green salads, not cook all of the ham, but it's nice to come up with something like this we can eat. Anyway, it was fun. I hope you're getting some relief from the heat where you're at. It's been a good day. Thank you for dropping in. Subscribe. Ring that bell. We'll see you soon, and remember the joy.